So we all know the Dyson vacuums are awesome, but the problem they all suffer from is after a short while, like a year to 2 years, the batteries in these vacuums degrade so much that you have very limited runtime. Well, the good news is you can actually replace the battery in this Dyson. This is the V7 and V8, really easy. And better than that, they actually sell adapters so you can use batteries that you have probably laying around your house, like Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Dewalt. So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Dyson vacuum to be powered by these batteries. Here we go. So to upgrade your Dyson V7 or V8 vacuum to be powered by one of these batteries is super easy. Now the batteries you can use are either a Ryobi 18-volt battery, like this. There's tons of these out there. A Milwaukee battery that looks like this. And lastly, a Dewalt battery. Now keep in mind, any battery that you use to try to run the Dyson has to be at least a 4 amp hour battery or larger. So if you go up from 4 amp hours, it will power this Dyson. I've heard rumors of people using 2 amp hour batteries and they don't work. You'll actually get a red light on the Dyson. Now, the adapter you're gonna need to buy looks like this. This is the one made for the Dewalt battery. You can see the battery just slides in there like that. Then this gets installed into the Dyson, replaces the original battery that came with the Dyson. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And lastly, you're gonna need a small Phillips head screwdriver. So first we're gonna remove the stock battery. To do that, flip the Dyson vacuum upside down. There's 2 screws we need to remove, one there and one there. Let's get them out. The third screw is right on the back right here. Okay, now you'll be able to just gently pull on the bottom of the Dyson and the stock battery will come out. So to install the new adapter, all you need to do is insert it into the bottom of the Dyson like that. Replace those 3 screws and the single screw on the handle. Once you've got the new adapter installed, you can actually insert the battery and test your vacuum. Let me show you how you do that. Just install it like that, pull the trigger, and you should get a green light. And if your vacuum runs, you're good to go. So I just finished the install of my Ryobi battery onto my Dyson V8. This battery adapter also works on the V7. This thing is great. I'm getting about 20 to 25 minutes of runtime on this Dyson now. That is more than I got with the original battery when this thing was brand new. So I am really pleased with this result. Now, if you're looking for one of these adapters, there'll be links to that right down below in the description. Make sure you check that out. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I have other content that's just like this. In fact, I have one where I save dead batteries. You're gonna wanna see that. In fact, I'll do you a favor. I'll leave a link to that video right there. Go check it out.